Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Well, today's video is going to be about neem oil, a cold pressed neem oil, and our very first ingredient is going to be neem leaf. Neem leaf helps to treat dandruff and itchy scalp. It prevents lice. It promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying of the hair. So we're just going to put it in a jar and put in a few amount of neem leaf. Please, I'm really sorry for any background noises that you might be hearing. So I'm going to be adding olive oil. Olive oil is very good for dry hair. It adds shine to the hair. I'm just going to add a very good amount. You actually can use your measurement if you want, but this is actually a DIY, so you can choose to use a measurement or not. Our next ingredient is going to be coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes the hair. It provides natural shine and it stops frizz in hair. I'm just going to cover it and leave it to infuse in the oil for 7 days. This is how it looks like the first day of infusion. And this is the second day. This is the third day. If you look closely, you're going to see some changes. And this is day 4. And this is day 5. Day 6, right here. You can see that the leaf has infused very well in the oil. And this is day 7. Please, if you have watched the video to this very point and you've not subscribed, please do me well to hit the subscribe button below. We're just going to sieve the oil. You can use a recap if you want to. Please don't be in a rush to sieve this oil because of the leaf. And yeah, this is the amount of the oil that I got. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, like the video, share with your friends, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.